Hey guys, Sarah here. Today we're going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging. Unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. If you do not know, Ipsy is a subscription bag. It is $10 a month. You get 4 to 5 sample, sometimes deluxe sample sized items that are catered to your beauty profile. So you'll take a quiz and you can say, I like neutrals, I like bold colors, things like that. And then they curate a bag specifically for you. So, without further ado, let's just hop right into it. Now I did get the tracking email or the see what's in your beauty bag thing, and I did sort of look over it, but it's been a couple of weeks, well, like a week since I looked at it, so I don't remember exactly what's in here, but I did research some of the products before I got the bag. So anyways, this month's bag looks like, let me see if you can see that. It looks like it's got little like passport stamps or things like that. Looks like mostly, well, there's Jamaica, Paris, New York, so that's kind of cool. And then the other side is just like this coral color. It just says Ipsy right there. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so first I'm gonna pull out the card. So it looks like the May 2018 theme is called Go There. Here's the card. And it says, hey, Ipster, we're writing to, I cannot talk today. I don't know what's wrong with me. We're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Roxette is munching on crepes, Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in this beautiful city. Why we're here? At Ipsy, we're obsessed with self-expression, and we found that sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself. To prove the magic of travel, we busted out our passports and hopped a red-eye to London and took a train to Paris. We laughed, we cried, we drank proper tea and ate too many croissants. And we captured every step of the way so we can share it with you. Check out our journey, learn more about your May Glambag pics, and see tons of travel-inspired beauty tips and inspo on the Ipsy mobile app. And yeah, so in the hashtag, this month is hashtag Ipsy Go There. All right, so let's go ahead and pull out the first item. So the first item is from Nelson J. Beverly Hills, and it is a moisture healing mask. Argan Oil 7 formula delivers a combination of multi-benefits. Oh, detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water. What is wrong with me? Salt water, restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body, and it is coconut scented. So yeah, it just says after shampoo, apply moisture healing mask to towel dried hair. I'm trying to see if I remember correctly. When I researched this product, it was cruelty free. But I'm not going to open it until I know for sure. But it is coconut scented, which is probably my all-time favorite scent, so that's cool. Let's see. We only got 4 products this month, so well, whatever. Let's open up this next one. This is from Beaute Basics. I have never heard of this brand. It is, I don't know what this is. Oh, foiled eyeshadow in the shade Satin Taupe. And of course, I didn't think I would need a knife to open this, but I guess my nails are kind of long right now. I'll just rip into it. Now, this was one brand that I scoured the internet for. I could not find anything on this brand being cruelty-free. Not even, like, nowhere. Nobody knows about this, so I don't know if I'll use it, but I'll go ahead and... How do you even open this? What am I doing? Oh, it's got slides out. It is in there. There we go. Okay. So here's the color. It is really pretty. It's like a brown color. Kind of reminds me of the hazelnut shade from the chocolate bar palette, the Too Faced chocolate bar. So there it is swatched on my hand. It's just like a coppery color. It's not super pigmented, like I'm just rubbing it and it's already off my hand. I don't know if I'll use it. Like I said, I could not find anything about this product. It is made in China, which doesn't mean anything, but I don't know. We'll see. It is a decent size sample though. Like that's a pretty big eyeshadow pan. All right, the next item we have is from NYX. It is, let me go ahead and let you see. Focus camera. All right, it doesn't want to focus. It is the Soft Matte Lip Cream. NYX is cruelty free. This is in the shade, it doesn't actually have a name. Oh, Abu Dhabi. I don't know. Let's just keep going with the trend of Sarah can't talk today, and we'll just keep making up words, I guess. All right, I almost got this out of here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick swatch of this. I've never tried one of these from NYX, but it does look pretty. I love nudes. It does look like it is a matte, a soft matte, so it feels really buttery on the skin, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, I definitely will play around this more. It feels really nice. Feels like not like it's gonna be super drying on your lips, so that's cool. Okay, so I got one more product. I'm having a day, you guys. Let me have some coffee. Okay, maybe I've had too much coffee. Maybe that's my problem. This is like my third one of these. I just made a big pot of iced coffee this morning, and apparently it just made me crazy. So this product, let me go back to the product. This product is from Tarte. I really like the packaging on this. It is Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. I think a lot of people got this in their bags this month. I watched like 2 other reviews from people, or openings, unboxings, and they got this too. It's nice. It's got this little plug in there so it doesn't go all over the place. I'm just gonna put this on my hands or my fingers and rub it in my skin and just see what it feels like. It does feel really smoothing. Let me get a little more. Yeah, that feels really nice. It's like a really super fine powder. I love Tarte, so I definitely will play around with this more. It's cruelty free, which is important to me. If you haven't figured that out by the end of this video, that I only use cruelty free products, well, now you know. So yeah, overall, let's see, I got 4 items. This hair mask thing, it's okay. I mean, I like coconut. I try not to use a ton of hair products just because I don't know. I like more like natural hair. Like this is, you can see what I did today. Like I'm just gonna see wear my hair curly today or wavy. This is like my natural wave, and it's just so wavy in the back. Totally unrelated to this video. But yeah, so I will definitely try this out. I love coconut, so this I'm iffy about just because I could not find. It's so weird to me. I could not find anything about this brand on the internet. Maybe it's a newer brand, but one of the pages I was reading was from like, I want to say January of 2017. That I can't remember the website, but she had reached out to this company to find out their cruelty-free status, and that page has still not been updated. So that's what just makes me feel really bad. Like, if you're cruelty-free, wouldn't you be proud of that? So I don't know. But if I ever do find out, maybe I will use it. I've already swatched it, so I can't give it away. This I'm excited about. I actually really love NYX. I love a good nude, so that's awesome. And this I'm like super pumped about too, just because I love Tarte. I try not to use a lot of powder on my face just because I get dry skin and I feel like powder just makes me look older than I am. Maybe not, maybe it's all in my head. But this feels really fine. Like it's not gonna give me like that super matte finish. So yeah, I think I'll like that. Anyways, so yeah, 2 out of 4, not too bad. The bag this month, not my favorite, but that's not really why I get it. Nobody gets it for like the actual bag. But yeah. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more unboxings and videos like this from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys later. Bye. Oh my gosh. So, back, I was going to throw away the packaging, and I just happened to see that there was one other item in my bag. So, whoops. I'm not going to refilm this whole thing. So, I did get one other item in here. It is a Beau Gâchis. I'm not sure the brand name. Tapered blending brush. You all know. Well, maybe you don't know. But I do love brushes. I could always use more. I have a ton. So yeah, this actually changes my mind totally about the bag. So now I like 3 out of the 5. Excited about 3 out of the 5. So yeah. that's all I wanted to add. I am such an idiot and sorry. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.